Very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akanksha Singh, and I'm from class CS41. Here, this is a topic of seminar, and I'm going to present this seminar presentation on data science. This presentation is under the guidance of Miss Alka Singh ma'am. So let's get started. This First of all, we'll go through the introduction, that is, what is data science, its job duty, its component, its process, data science with Python, its job role, etc. So let's go with the introduction. Now, what is data science? A data science is a study of data which is huge and enormous. It involves developing method of recording, storing, analyzing data to effectively extract useful information. Data science is a detailed study of a flow of information from that much amount of data present in an organization repository. It involves obtaining meaningful insight from raw or unstructured data which processed through analytical programming and business skill. Data science is more closely related to the mathematical field of statistics, which includes the collection, organization, analysis, and presentation of data. Data science has emerged many other fields also, like data engineer, machine learning, traditional researches. Now, a data engineer or traditional research emerged a new field, which is marketing. A data engineer or a machine learning programmer can go through the hacking and coding path, and a machine learning and traditional research can go through the statistical field. Substantial expertise is about all of the marketing, which is e-commerce site, understanding their customer needs. Hacking and coding is all of the SQL, the database, the data present in the database, its data governance, data preparation. The statistics is modeling the data, that is giving a shape to data, such as graph or charts, etc. Typical job duties for data scientist. Day-to-day job duties that data scientists go through are listed here, like collecting large amount of unruly data, that is the raw data, and transforming it into more usable format. Like, first, a data scientist will extract all the raw data and will convert that into a meaningful data, that is graph or a charts. A data scientist should always staying on top of the analytical techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, text analytics. They solve business related problems day to day using data driven techniques. They work on the variety of programming language such as SAS, R, and Python. A data scientist always look for the patterns in the data for the trending for the future trending spots, and it's to help the business bottom line. Data science component. Data science components are domain expertise, statistics, data engineering, visualization, advanced computing. Now, statistics is one of the most important component of data science. Statistics is a way to collect and analyze the numerical data in a large amount of and finding meaningful insight from it. Domain expertise in data science binds the data together. It means the specialized knowledge or skills of a particular area. In data science, there are various areas which we need domain experts. Data engineer Data engineering is a part of data science which involves acquiring, storing, retrieving, transforming the data, visualization. Data visualization techniques is meant for representing data in a visual context. Deep learning is a method uh, where the algorithm select the analysis model to follow. Now, data science process. The data science process based on Usman framework, O for obtain, S for scrub, E for explore, M for model, I for interpret. The obtain step involves acquiring data in a raw format. Now, these data can be extracted from social media, census data set, or data stream from online source such as using APIs. Scrub is a part of cleaning data, that is data which can data that has to be uh, get by filling the missing value or the incorrect data format that has to be cleaned. In the explore stage, you need to determine the method and techniques to draw the relation between the input variable. Planning for a model is performed by using different statistical formulas and a visualization tool. SQL analysis services R and SAS Access are some of the tools used for this purpose. In model building step, here the data scientist distribute dataset for training and testing. Techniques like association, classification, and clustering are applied to the training dataset. The model, once prepared, is tested against the testing dataset. In interpret data, data refers to the presentation of your data to non-technical layman. Deliver the result into answer to the business question we asked when we first started the project. It simply means when you fetch a data in a raw format, you need to convert it into a structured format which can be understood by a simple layman languages. So it's involved the making of data in a usual format like bar graph, chart, pie charts, etc. Since we are talking about data science, so we should not forget about the simplest programming language which is emerging for a data scientist, and most of the data scientists now are using Python because of its inbuilt libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, Keras, and there are many more like Seaborn, etc. Now, data science job role. A data science, if you learn everything about data science, if you know you have a knowledge of data science, there are many job titles regarding that. It's like data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, statistician, data architect, data admin, business analyst, data manager, etc. Now, application of data science. As we are going through, we can see that there are many useful application of data science that world is using today, like recommendation system, recommendation engine like Google. We can give example of in Google search bar. The cross selling is giving advantages to their customer, building a good relationship with the customer. Churn analytics is the prediction of um, the interest of a customer when he or she is going to unsubscribe their channel or aren't interested in their product. So demand forecasting, there are many other uh, fields open which are using data science for their better profit. Challenges of data science technologies. Now there are many challenges also, like high variety of information and data is required for accurate analysis, not adequate data science talent pool available, management does not provide financial support for data science team, unavailability or difficult access to data science result not effectively used by the business decision maker. Like some happens that a data scientist or their team is giving their useful information, but the business, the group is not utilizing their output as much. Explain data science to other is difficult also, their privacy issue, etc. Future scope of data science. Data science in future can emerge for manufacturing. Of course it is right now also, but there are certain areas where manufacturing field needs to be get improved. Like they have to perform, they have to make sure about the quality, defect tracking, predicting and conditional maintenance, demand and throughput forecasting, new processes and material for product development and production technique. In banking and finance, data analysis is helping the finance institution to engage with customer more meaningful by understanding their transaction pattern. Banks are understanding the importance of purchase history and patterns, mode of communication, internet banking data. These are the data which are taken for the visualization, for the analysis, for the analyzing the pattern, etc. Also, also future scope are in healthcare, like from improving care delivery to achieving operational experience. They are working to optimize every aspect of healthcare operation by unlocking the potential of data. In transport system, the use of data science contains the unprecedented potential to deliver insight into planning and managing transportation networks. From capture data, insight are significant to achieve a competitive advantage and improve service reliability and mitigate risk. These are the references. I have used these all of the links and the books for my data science presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.